Okay, so this is a 3D model that I just created using a free AI tool called Tripo3D.ai. And recently, the company just released a new model called Tripo3D version 3, and this new model is a lot better than the previous ones. So it is faster, it is giving you more detailed result, and the texture is quite realistic. And of course, you can use it to convert any 2D photo into a 3D model, which later you can download the file to your computer, and perhaps you can use it for animation, for product design, or any other 3D related work. So let me show you how you can use this AI tool to convert a 2D photo into a 3D model in just a few minutes. First, you have to navigate to studio.tripo3d.ai, and I'm going to leave the link in the video description down below. And you can create a free account, and I think they're going to give you about 300 credits, which is more than enough to create several different 3D models. And I think one creation only consumes about 25 credits. So yeah, it's actually quite generous. Now, after that, after you have created a free account, you can click Generate 3D Models. And here, the simplest way to convert a 2D photo into a 3D model is by going to this menu called one click. So that's the simplest method. And after that, click image or text to 3D. And you can actually describe the thing that you want to create. But in this case, I just want to convert a 2D photo into a 3D model. Here, I have this 2D photo. It looks like 3D, but this is actually just an asymmetric view that I just created using Gemini Nano Banana. And by the way, if you are interested to learn more on how you can turn a photo into this figurine or miniature, then you can check the tutorial on my channel. It's just use the keyword isometric or something, and you should be able to find the video. Okay, I'm going to download this photo and I'll upload that to Tripo3D. Okay, so I'll just drag and drop that photo. Now, they do offer a way to edit a photo, but I'm not going to use that. So I'll just close this. And for the style, you can select any style that you want, but I'm not going to select any style. I'll just follow the style from the picture. And after that, you can select the mesh resolution. Right now, there is the option for ultra, but I think it's going to be for pro users, and also it's not yet available. So right now I'm using the free version, so I'm going to just select standard. And privacy, unfortunately, all the models that you created if you are in the free plan is going to be public. Okay, I'm not going to tinker with any of these options because these are only accessible if you're paying, but I'm not using the paid version, so just use the basic settings. And for the topology, I will select triangle, polycount, auto, and for the model, make sure to select version 3. That's the latest model, and click generate. So this process will take about 2 to 5 minutes depending on the complexity of the object. So I'll just skip forward and show you the final result and how you can download the model. Okay, so this is the model that was recreated from this 2D photo. I think it's pretty good. It's quite realistic, and the texture is matching the original photo. Now, if you want to download this 3D model to your computer, you can click this download button, and then you can select the format, and then click export. So the export process will usually take about 1 minute, and after that, the file will be downloaded to your computer, and again, you can use it on your other projects. So that's basically how you can turn any 2D photo into a 3D model for free using Tripo3D AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.